Welcome back to Bodby. If you are running a business on Facebook, you already know the struggle. A post goes viral, hundreds of comments pour in, and you are left spending hours of manually replying or missing out on leads. But what if you could automate that entire process in minutes? What if every single comment could instantly receive a public reply and an automatic DM in their inbox? In this video, I will show you how to use Bodby to completely automate your Facebook page experience and set up instant comment to DM triggers. Connecting your Facebook page. Before we start anything, let's connect our Facebook page and build our comment automation. From the dashboard, go to Facebook in the sidebar and select Connect Account. Log in securely using your standard Facebook credentials. Select the exact pages you want to manage with Bodby. Simply click on Enable next to the specific page you want to automate, and you are connected. All your connected pages and ads account will be shown here in the dashboard. Facebook DM automation. Now that our pages is connected, let's talk about Facebook DM automation. Think of it as a chatbot for your DMs. The moment a customer sends you a direct message, this chatbot takes over. To build this chatbot inside your Facebook DM, navigate to Facebook in your left sidebar and select Bot Manager. Click on Keyword Replies to open Bodby's Visual Flow Builder. This is where you create your customized chatbot. Let me show you by building the chatbot with a greeting message and buttons. We will enter a trigger word here, and when your customers will write this word, the chatbot will start. For better and more accurate bot replies, you can add keyword restriction. If you are using an exact keyword, a single keyword can be of maximum 24 characters. If you need to use a keyword or phrase longer than 24 characters, you can use the string match option instead. Then I will take a text element for my greeting message and add 2 buttons. Let's check if it's working or not. Yes, it's working perfectly. Facebook comment automation. With our direct messages automated, let's focus on Facebook comment automation. Now there are 2 things in comment reply. One is auto comment and the other is auto comment reply. Let's talk about auto comment first. Go to your bot manager under Facebook section. From here, navigate to the engagement section and select comment automation. If I give you an use case about it, you can make an auto comment on your post for a new year or festive wishes. Let's make a template first. On the top right corner, click on manage, then comment template. Click on create and give a name to your template. Now write the message and save it. Now go back and let's pick this post to auto comment. Click the manage icon next to it and then click enable auto comment. Give a campaign name and select the template we just created. Since it's a festive wish, I will make the schedule type as one time. You can use periodic for the other use cases too. Select the schedule time and time zone and save it. And that's it. On the scheduled date, the comment will be posted on your post comment section. Now let's shift to auto comment reply. Using this, you can reply automatically to your customer's comment. Go to your bot manager under Facebook section. From here, navigate to engagement section and select comment automation. Let's pick this post to auto comment. Click the manage icon next to it. Then click enable auto comment reply. I don't have any pre-made template for now, so I will just disable this. From here, you can automatically assign label to users who interact with your post for targeted future campaigns. Offensive comment filtering. Turn this on to set a list of restricted keywords. If someone leaves a toxic or abusive comment, BotBee can hide or delete it automatically and even slide into their DM with a polite warning. Multiple replies. Enable this if you want the bot to reply every time to a user's comment. Keep it as no if you only want to reply once per person. From here, enable the auto comment reply. Hide comments after reply. Enable this if you want to automatically hide the user's comment after the bot responds. Once moderation is set, you can choose from 3 comment reply methods. AI-powered replies. Using this, you can send AI-generated smart replies to the comments. Connect ChatGPT or DeepSeek, feed them custom knowledge about your post or business, and let the AI generate natural, contextual replies dynamically. Generic reply messages. Set up a single, high-engaging, predefined response containing text, images, link or videos that goes to everyone. Keyword-based filtering. Trigger custom replies when users comment specific words like price or link. You can choose if the keyword must be an exact match or if any match occurs. For my use case, I will use a generic option. Give a campaign name and write the message. You can also add an image or video as a reply. I want to send the price link to my users when they write link in the comments. Now here comes a really useful feature. You can send an automated private DM to those who comment on your post. Click add message template to open BotBee's visual flow builder. Currently, you can set up to 2 private messages in sequence. Write your messages, save the template and select it. Let's test it. Yes, it's working perfect. Full page reply and campaign reports. If you want to apply a single rule to all the posts on your page simultaneously, you can enable the full page campaign feature. Just make sure to pause any individual post automation before turning this on. You can track all of this inside BotBee's campaign reports. It gives you a clear visual dashboard showing exactly how many comments were received, replies sent, or private DMs triggered. Get started settings and persistent menu. To set this up, navigate to your BotBee dashboard. Click on Facebook and go to Bot Manager. Under the engagement section, click on Get Started Settings. Switch the Get Started status to Enabled. Click on Get Started Template to customize the message layout. Next, let's talk about the greeting text. This is your first impression. It appears before the user even clicks Get Started. Keep it short, state exactly what your chatbot does, and add a simple value proposition. Now what if you want to give them interactive choices right away? You can set up icebreakers. Now a crucial tip here, Facebook only allows one initial layout, so you must disable the Get Started button in your settings to enable icebreakers. Once disabled, write your questions and link them to a custom bot response by clicking Add Message Template. Save your settings and you're good to go. Building a persistent menu. Finally, we have a persistent menu. This is the permanent navigation bar that sits at the bottom right of the chat window, accessible via 3 horizontal lines. To build yours, in the Bot Manager, click on Persistent Menu under Engagement section and click Create. If you want users to only interact via your menu buttons and prevent them from typing, set Disable Composer Input to Yes. Otherwise, leave it as No. Click Add Menu Items. You can set them to Postpack, which triggers a specific chatbot you built, or a web URL to redirect users directly to your website. Hit Save. That is how easy it is to set up a fully automated sales machine using Facebook comment and DM automation in BotBee. If you get stuck, or need help during onboarding, you can contact their official support team at this number. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial.